What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. We got a little bit of a different format of video here today, right?
Yeah.
Because we got both our sizes, which we do this most of the time, or I try to do this all the time, and it works most of the time. Like, we got both of our sizes in these. Yeah, no, I wore mine for the first time the other day, and we're gonna get rid of these.
They're crap.
Yeah. The material is just like too rigid and it's not comfortable. It's not pretty in any way, really.
The color's pretty.
I don't like the color.
I think the color's pretty, and I like the little shiny part, but it's too fat.
That was the other day. Today, though, I said we're gonna, in a video not too long ago, I said we're gonna start doing this. What did I wear today? I wore my Union 4s today. What'd you wear today?
Heels.
Heels. They're purple too, aren't they?
They are Bordeaux.
Bordeaux.
Blech.
Blech. Bordeaux. So, we were out today. I hit on these, both from Foot Locker. Foot Locker, I think I hit Red Thunders, maybe. One pair of Red Thunders from them. So just a couple months ago. But before that, I hadn't hit on anything at Foot Locker since last March, which was the Ash Pearl 350s, Yeezy 350s, and I didn't pick them up. Maybe that's why they made me go 10 months without getting another win. And since maybe Patent Breads, I got 2 pairs of Patent Breads, exclusive access at Finish Line. Since then, I haven't hit on anything. I didn't get the blue tints because my Finish Line doesn't get Yeezys. My specific Finish Line that I get exclusive access to doesn't get them, and I haven't got anything since then. So it was whatever the release was before the 350s, the blue tints, and I haven't hit any exclusive access since then. But today, we got both our sizes in the Cardinal, Jordan 3 Cardinal Red, today from Foot Locker. Thank you, Foot Locker. So we're gonna get our both of our first impressions of this shoe. I've seen it in person. Actually, Hesper saw it in person today too. She may not have realized it.
Why is it in this box?
That's the kid box.
Oh.
And this is the men's box. Hesper probably didn't realize that we went to Memory Lane today. I finally did a couple transactions.
I knew we went to Memory Lane.
Yeah, but you probably didn't even realize you saw that shoe. But this is Air Jordan 3 Retro White Light Curry Cardinal Gray. Oh, light curry. It's like orange. Yeah, you see it. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. So we're going to decide today whether or not we want to keep these. I kind of want to keep mine, I think. Let's see.
Is the curry in the hole?
Yeah.
It's not even worth mentioning.
Yeah, it's really not, but they decide to anyway. What do you think?
Yikes! Is yours stink?
Yeah.
Ugh. Shade.
So one thing I do like about it is the glossy red. Like the midsole's glossy and
Mine's
definitely
really drippy.
Where? Oh, yeah, hers is kind of messed up. Right there.
On the back too. Like there's like a fingerprint or something.
Yeah, these are. I mean, it's not that big a deal, but it's definitely not something you want to see. But I like the glossiness here. There's a lot of glossiness.
There's like stuff in
on
my
those.
paint.
Yeah, that happens. Yeah, mine, this glossiness, like there's weird, it's not just brush strokes, because there's brush strokes here, but then there's just some weird stuff in there.
Golly!
Regular Ortholite insole, yep, just a regular Ortholite. It's pretty thick though, so it might be comfortable. I don't know when I have worn a pair of 3s. So we get a Jumpman Air on the back. The Jumpman there, that's the curry. If you can see the Jumpman on the tongue. There's also some in these eyelets down here. Light curry, is that what it was?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, light curry. What were the blues? The Marina blues that just came out. We've got these laying around here somewhere. They're there. The blue was just different. Because it's a dark Marina blue. The Red Thunders was just a different color red. What color was that? Crimson, maybe? Yeah, it doesn't even say it. It just says multicolor on the box. But I think Nike called them crimson. So the red was just different on those, and it didn't look good. And then the blue is just different. It's not the varsity blue or royal blue that you want to see on the Jordan that I think we're used to seeing on Jordans. And it just didn't look right. And I kind of thought that would be the case with these, that this red was just not going to look right. Mm-hmm. But it looks good. I like it.
I have like a jute in there.
Yeah. Yeah, yours are messed up. It's all drippy right there, too.
Look at this. Somebody wore these.
Maybe that's just glue. I don't know. Yours are pretty bad. Mine aren't that bad, but actually there's really nothing bad on mine. But that definitely happens with grade school. The grade schools are definitely frequently less quality or lower quality.
Yeah.
I like the Jordan 3 outsole. The look of the sole.
I like the look of it because this is nice. Like most of the time I don't like this. Like
yeah, this one looks good.
Those just don't have anything like
my SpaceX.
Yeah, they just don't have anything that makes them pop.
Yeah, but
these are really poppy. And
that's what Atticus and I were saying about a pair. About the y'all haven't seen this yet, but it's a shadow red mid. I got my pair. Well, not my pair, but
like this
poppy.
Like color pops. Mm-hmm. This color pops. It's like accessories. Pops.
You're accessorized today. So y'all, Hesper and I are waiting on the perfect shoe. The perfect shoe that's got the right leopard print. Not cheetah.
And most of them are really ugly.
Yeah. Not cheetah.
Like, it's just too much. Like, you gotta do it classy.
Like those, like the Primal Dunks. I got you 2 of the Primal Dunks you didn't like because...
The check was bad.
The swoosh.
The swoosh.
Yeah, it just was 3 different materials. Go back and watch that video. She didn't like those.
That doesn't qualify as a swoosh. It's so bad.
But we're trying to find, like, we're waiting on them to release the perfect leopard.
If they had something like this, like, it just is aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, these do look really good. I think I'm going to
If they found one that had leopard that looked nice.
And there's been several different primal type Jordans that have come out. The 11s that came out recently had a leopard-ish look to them, but they also had... But it had
leather on it.
leopard. That one had multi animal print.
Yeah, I don't want multi.
And then there's actually a 3 that has multi animal print that's just ugly. I don't know.
Well, you can pull off multi. It just has to be good.
Yeah, but yeah, we were looking for the right one. But anyways,
yeah.
Back to this shoe. Sorry. I like the leather on this shoe. I had the Georgetown 3s. They were kind of plasticky on the coating. And I had the Racer Blues. This is pretty similar to the Racer Blues. It's been a while since I had those. Maybe this is a little bit better. I like both the tumbled leather of the upper and then this leather, normal leather here on kind of the mudguard area. I like this specific kind of elephant print. One of them that came out recently that had 3M here, which might have been the Racer Blues. I can't remember. Y'all probably remember. But it was 3M and it was like inverted. There was more of the dark gray than the light gray. Mm-hmm. And it didn't look right. Mm-hmm. But this looks right.
Yeah, this looks good.
So, you're going to wear these?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I mean, they go with your school color still, even though it's a cardinal.
Yeah,
red.
yeah, it's so good.
But the fire reds come out in a month or 2, I think. And the fire reds are going to have, in my opinion, probably a better color red. I like this red, but a better color red. Oh, we got a satiny sock liner too.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice.
I didn't.
I think these will be comfortable. I feel like I've heard that 3s are comfortable, and that's why I said I don't really wear 3s.
It feels really hollow though. Like
it's not very plush.
It feels like a pillow. Like without the pillow. Like you squish it and you can feel the sides.
Yeah.
It's definitely not like a 5.
The tongue is very thin also. Yours is actually maybe thicker than mine. Yeah,
but feel like this. It's like so empty.
Mine might feel a little bit better, but not really. I don't think they need that, but I think you're right. But the fire reds, like I said, along with having a better color red, in my opinion, it's also going to should have Nike Air on the back, not Jumpman Air on the back with a swoosh, because I believe that's the OG colorway that's coming out this year, 2022.
I like the elastic in here. It's kind of like an 11.
The thing that holds the tongue down? Mm-hmm. Most of them have those. Mm.
I guess I only noticed it in the 11th.
Yeah. These don't smell great. What else can we say about these?
This is a little weird. It's like so. It looks like it's just cut off.
Square.
Like there's no like fading it in. Yeah. It could have been like folded down.
Yeah, there could be some. Well, I think that's just how the 3s are. But you're right. It's a little.
You can see the exposed foam.
Yeah, there's a little bit. It's kind of not finished there. And I don't think that's intentional for these. Like a lot of.
Like, is your, like in your hole, do you still have like fabric in there? Like, yeah. Mine's still in there.
Yeah, there's holes. It just doesn't line up perfectly.
Look on the other side. My stuff is still in there.
Yes, I know, but there's holes. It's just not cut perfectly.
Yeah.
This grade school does look pretty poorly made. Yeah. Not terrible, but
they're
pretty
cute.
poorly.
They're just lacking.
I think they're put together better than the.
Oh, the back looks good.
Yeah.
That's nice and clean.
Yeah, I think these are put together better than the strawberry milks and the chocolate milks.
Oh yeah, those look like house shoes. Yeah. But I like that this doesn't come up like the 4s.
Yeah, she doesn't like 4s because it normally.
It doesn't rub me anymore for some reason, but.
My feet feel my heels feel fine today, so. We like these. We're probably going to keep these. These are the only 2 we hit on. I went with a couple of accounts on sneakers this morning, but I knew I already had these, so I didn't go all in because I didn't want a whole bunch to have to get rid of. But we've got my new trade block account. I told you all about that a couple weeks ago that I got a trade block account up right now. It's Super Dan the Shoe Man with no spaces. Go follow me there. You can look at some of my closet. And I've got being shipped to me right now my first trade block trade. So don't miss that video. I've got at least probably one. I might make it 1 or 2 videos. I'm not sure. From our trip to memory lane today because I actually did some business there. Didn't just go look. I also took my dad to Back in the Day today. And Back in the Day is now... Today. Who's that?
Mike Rich.
Mike Rich. Where were we? We were at... After we picked these up, we went back to the Foot Locker wall of Jordans. And what was back there?
Trash can water.
Trash can water. Mike Rich. We like watching Mike Rich. Mike Rich is great.
Yeah, he's fun.
And
he does videos with his wife, too.
He does, and he's pretty clean, too.
Yeah.
For the most part. So we enjoy watching his videos. But took my dad to Back in the Day number 2, which is at Town Center Mall. Town Center Mall is where my dad purchased me my very first pair of Jordans. So we walked around. Yeah, we walked around and didn't buy anything there. I almost bought another pair of Marina Blues. JD had very small, big kid sizes. Saw a bunch of the diamonds on the wall, the diamond mids and lows. I'll cut to that at the end of this video. Just some of the diamond mids and lows. Remember the black one with the pearly white? Mm-hmm. They're sitting on shelves. The men's sizes are sitting on shelves.
Why?
Like, I don't know. I bet. So they went crazy right when they released. My video has 800 views, which is pretty good for my videos. And so they went crazy right when they released. Everybody wanted them. And maybe either the hype died down a little bit, which is probably true also, or they just made a whole bunch of them. And they're all over. So you'll take a peek at that. It's my Hibbit that just has 8 pairs or so on the wall. But they had it at City Gear at Town Center Mall today too. So we got trade block videos coming up. We got memory lane videos coming up. Well, at least not from being in memory lane. I didn't record anything while I was there, but the trades that I made while I was there. I need to get rid of both pairs of used shimmers and both of these 350s, the light and the mono ice. I may just get cash for them. I know that it's not going to be anything wonderful because they're all used, but there's 4 pairs that I need to get rid of because we're not going to wear those anymore.
Mine is really soft right here.
Oh, wow. Very soft.
Yours is not.
Under the tongue. Yeah, that's crazy.
And I don't have 5 holes.
Well, this is a big size. That's different.
Oh, no, it's different. Yeah. And this is folded over, but this is not.
Interesting. That's a very interesting detail. So she pointed out that the elephant print material on the toe box on the mudguard has a rolled edge, and on the back it has a raw edge.
Yeah.
That's really, really weird. Why'd y'all do that? Jordan Brand, why'd y'all do that? Let me know. It's not that it really matters. I prefer cut edges on all my leather. I don't like seeing the rolled edges. enjoy the in-store vlogs after this. I might have a minute of it or so. We'll get some on feet with this in a future video, maybe a short once she puts this on.
We're gonna do like foamer. He does that and his hand like
jiggles because it's in slow-mo.
Yeah.
So something that I've heard, I think Seth Fowler at least, who I used to like watching. I don't really like watching him as much as I used to.
Is it because of New Balance?
No, he said he never watches YouTube. And I don't know why that just kind of rubs me the wrong way. Like, you're a YouTuber. This is this platform that you've chosen to make a living off of if you're a YouTuber that's that big. Yeah. And you're like, I don't like YouTube. I don't really watch anything.
He didn't say that.
Yeah, but that's kind of what it makes me feel like. And I know I watch YouTube all day long almost until there's nothing left that I want to watch, which, I mean, there's...
Yeah, I have to take it off and put it on Netflix.
Because she doesn't want to watch either... Call of Duty, or Apex, or shoes, or fishing,
or the British guy,
or somebody eating food.
No, I'm the other British guy.
The remote control car guy. Yeah. And another YouTube influencer that I went and bought if you go back to watch, I don't think a lot of people watch this, but I had a short of the studio in here with all the shoes, and you see that we've got a $400 remote control car. Is $300 from him, not from him, but So, anyways, I watch a lot of YouTube. I enjoy watching videos on YouTube. And what was I going to say about that? I don't know.
You don't like him.
Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Smash the like button and let us know in the comments down below how you feel about the 2 stars as opposed to just 1. And maybe we'll keep doing that. Definitely when we get 2 pairs. When we get the twinning pairs, we'll do this. But we can do it for any one of them.
We come up with some kind of like handshake out.
Oh, Haley and I have a good handshake. We put it in our short. That was a good one. We need to get one. Yeah. This is fresh as hers and mine.
Yeah, like you have an intro, you have to have an exit.
Outro.
Well, I didn't know if that was a word.
All right. Smash that like button. Let us know what you like or what you think about the two host format, and obviously you got to tell your grandma. Hesper came up with that. She's the one that started that, and I just kind of ran with it. So tell your grandma, and we will.
We love you, Mama.
And we will see you next time. Core Purple 13s and kids Marina Blues sitting on the shelf at Hibbett. Saw them at JD also, and these are all of the diamond lows and mids. Seen these at several stores today, and I think this was yesterday, Friday, maybe it was Thursday, but they're sitting all over the place. But I have a feeling the price is going to go up on these at some point in the near future.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers.